Welcome to Outgoing, guys. This channel is here to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't make calls. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issue from the forum. My phone suddenly can't call my contacts. The calls aren't going through, but my contacts can call me. What should I do? If you're like this user and your Android phone won't make calls, don't panic. We'll help you fix your Android phone not making calls. We understand that you might be facing the same problems you encounter here. When you want to know if you can't make calls on your Android phone, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Poor signal. The solution is to ensure a good signal. If you're in a remote location, underground, or near a border, your Android phone may have poor signal, preventing you from making calls. To resolve this issue, take your phone to a location with good signal and try making calls again to see if the can't make outgoing calls on Android phone issue resolves. Cause 2. Airplane mode is enabled. The solution is to turn off airplane mode. It's common knowledge that in airplane mode, you can't use cellular data or make or receive calls. Therefore, the issue of can't make outgoing calls on Android phone might be because your phone has airplane mode enabled. To do this, we need to check if airplane mode is enabled. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the top navigation bar, then swipe again to reveal the full navigation bar. Once there, check to see if airplane mode is enabled. If so, turn it off immediately. If not, try the next method. Cause 3. Do not disturb mode is enabled. The solution is to turn off do not disturb mode. Do not disturb mode behaves similarly to airplane mode. It prevents notifications such as calls, text messages, and alarms. Therefore, if do not disturb mode is enabled, the can't make outgoing calls on Android phone issue can also occur. Follow my steps to check if do not disturb mode is enabled. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the top navigation bar, then swipe again to reveal the full navigation bar. Check to see if do not disturb mode is on. If so, turn it off immediately. If not, proceed to the next method. Cause 4. SIM card not installed correctly. The solution is to check the SIM card. If the SIM card is loose or not installed correctly, your Android phone may not make outgoing calls. Remove the SIM card, inspect it, and then reinstall it correctly. Use a card ejector to remove the SIM card tray, then inspect the SIM card for any visible damage. If not, reinstall it correctly. Finally, try making a call again to see if it works. Cause 5. Outdated operating system. The solution is to update the operating system. Updating the operating system is an effective way to keep your Android phone running smoothly. If your Android phone's operating system is outdated, it may not function as expected, resulting in no signal or no service errors. To resolve the issue with your phone not making calls, try updating your operating system. Go to Settings, scroll down to Find and tap System or Software Update. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to download it. After downloading the update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then restart. Finally, try making calls again. Cause 6. Non-software issue. The solution is to reset your device. If you've tried these 5 solutions and your Android phone still doesn't make calls, then as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. However, a factory reset will delete all your data. Therefore, if you need any data on your phone, back it up before performing a factory reset, otherwise you'll lose everything. Next, follow the steps below to reset your Android device. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to Find and select System and Updates. On the new screen, select Reset, and finally, select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may ask you to reactivate your phone. Please follow the prompts. Finally, try again to see if you can make calls. Cause 7. SIM card out of balance or faulty. The solution is to contact your carrier. If resetting your device doesn't fix your Android phone won't dial out problem, 2 other possible reasons are insufficient SIM card balance or a SIM card fault, preventing calls from reaching anyone on your Android phone. You'll need to contact your carrier to check your balance. If the balance is normal, they can help you check or replace your SIM card. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, please leave them in the comments. If it helps you fix call problems on your cell phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Outgoing and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.